Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Mixing bowls. Airtight lids 3 greater attachments. The airtight lids that come with this mixing bowl set make it easy to store ingredients and leftovers without worrying about spills or leaks. 3.5 QT had a removable lid inside the main lid for adding contents or pairing it with your blender without removing the entire lid to prevent splash. This bowl set comes with 3 different grater attachments: slicing / grating / shredding. Just shred or slice right into the bowl. Non-slip silicone bottoms. The rubber on the bottom of the mixing bowls is for gripping and staying put, which prevents sliding on the countertops when mixing and also protects the desk from high temperatures. Attention! The stainless steel bowls needs to be cleaned in time after use to avoid excess stains caused by rust, especially oil stains. Meat tenderizer. Texturized surface. One of the side surface is textured for optimum use on a variety of meats. Smooth side included. The opposite side of the meat tenderizer is smooth for pounding and flattening for cutlets. Aluminum construction. Aluminum construction provides a lightweight, strong, and durable tool for the kitchen. Multiple storage options. There is a hole in the ergonomic handle that gives you the option for convenient hanging storage. Easy care. Hand wash with warm water and a mild detergent. Rinse and dry immediately. Kitchen floor mat. Extra soft. Extra thick kitchen mats are ergonomically designed for your comfort and are perfect choice for people who spends a lot of time on their feet at work or at home. Cushion support help improve circulation and posture while maintaining the firmness needed to keep a steady footing. Water resistant. Our anti-fatigue mats are made of premium quality PVC material, making it convenient to clean up and will not collect dirt. The material repels water, oils, or stains, and if anything spills, it makes an effortless cleanup. Grid pattern surface never wrinkles and gives a premium texture without collecting debris. Non-slip. Non-slip PVC bottom is manufactured so that they do not move around like other mats, while a slight texture on the top makes them slip resistant. Rug must be placed on dry surface during use. Egg cooker. Satisfaction guaranteed. Rapid egg cooker is the original and most trusted egg cooker on the market for perfect eggs your way. Every time, we guarantee it. 6 egg capacity. Cook up to 6 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect with shell easy to peel, and clean up is snap. Versatile. This is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those who have busy schedules. Hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, individual omelets, and all within minutes of the push start button. It couldn't be easier. Chicken breast shredder. Upgraded chicken shredder. Compared with the old chicken shredder, we have changed the inner shred structure and strong anti-slip strip. More effective and saves time. We do not worry about sliding away from our kitchen desks again. The flower appearance design and the transparent lid add polka dots seem like a beautiful flower to bloom. Shredded meat in seconds. The meat machine built-in plastic teeth that cover the whole area, which can tightly clamp the food. The lid has extra spikes on the edge, which help meat gather the shredded meat in the middle, cutting it evenly. The tool is applied with an ergonomic handle and an anti-slip base, ensuring comfort and easy operation even during heavy use. These updated structure designs can make your cooking tasks more efficient. Meat thermometer. Instant Read Food Thermometer. Our Instant Read Thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2 to 3 seconds response time. Instructions: meat temperature chart comes pre-calibrated for your convenience and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use from barbecue thermometer to baking thermometer. Our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. For air fryer, oven, grill, barbecue, griddle, smoker, kitchen, and outdoors. Easy Read digital thermometer for cooking. Large instant thermometer dial with bright blue backlight means you can always read the temperature, whether you are grilling in the dark or baking in your kitchen. Perfect must-have grilling accessory for kitchen essentials. Milk frother. Make rich, creamy froth in seconds. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss Frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without a trip to the coffee shop with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte. You know your tastes best. Note: packaging may vary. Easy to clean and store. The durable, convenient metal stand gives easy access for foamy goodness in seconds. Cleanup for this matcha whisk frother is even faster. To clean, just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on. Instantly clean. When stored on counter or table, it sits nicely next other coffee accessories. Our powerful and durable handheld milk frother is powered by 2 AA batteries, included, with a compact electric design that easily fits in a drawer. Measuring cups. Multiple sizes, including 4 measuring cups, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, 1 cup, 6 measuring spoons, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1/2, 1 tablespoon. Meet all your needs on cooking and baking. Premium material. The measuring cups made of food-grade 18/8 stainless steel. The measuring spoon made of premium food-grade stainless steel point, 100% rust-resistant, no toxic elements, which is safe to use for both dry and wet ingredients. Easy cleaning. Stackable professional metal measuring spoons and cups set is dishwasher safe. Perfect solution to cheap plastic measuring sets. Easy to use. Each measuring cup and measuring spoon have engraved clearly the size mark. No more guess in kitchen. Guarantee. Tyluk offer 100% satisfaction to allow you to test it. Please feel free to contact us if you are not satisfied. Kitchen dish cloths. Ultra absorbent. With a plush microfiber design, these kitchen washcloths are super absorbent for quick cleanup of spills, wiping oil stains, and very durable for use over and over without losing effectiveness. Ideal for drying dishes and kitchen cleaning. Square root super soft material. Hamaxi dish rags are made of soft and thick coral velvet microfiber. They are ultra soft, fluffy, with no odor, no lint, and easy to wash. So it won't scratch the paint on your delicate tabletop, glass, and delicate materials, nor will it leave tiny scratches on the surface. Easy care, easy to wash and clean. Machine wash with cold water, gentle cycle, tumble dry low. Do not bleach and low iron if needed. We suggest washing them in cold water before using for the first time, as this will make them fluffy and more absorbent. Kitchen cutting board. Ultra durable and built to last. Unlike wood or bamboo, these thick, non-porous boards are incredibly durable. Won't splinter, crack, or peel, even after many washes. No oiling or maintenance necessary. Deep juice grooves help capture runoff liquid from messy ingredients. Rubber border helps provide a secure grip on countertops. Food grade and a great choice for all homes. Stays in place during prep. Make food prep easier than ever with the most durable cutting board. Its slip-resistant handle and rubber border help to reduce slipping and sliding on countertop surfaces. BPA-free and food grade. Each board is tested to comply with U.S. regulations, food grade and food safe. Wash in the dishwasher time after time, and boards will not break down.